morning. Let me go get sister up. Sissy. Let me go to the bathroom and brush my teeth and wash my face and wash my hands. Shh.
Over here.
At least we get an early start at breakfast.
Hey, Cheer. Hey, Cheer.
Chairs are so weird. They literally just knock people off. I know. When will you ever learn how to stay on a chair, Sissy?
I know how to stay on a chair.
Yeah. Just that they're sometimes unstable. How come you get the big bowl? Shh. Shh. Shh.
Why did you pour it on my head?
We didn't pour it on your head. Now,
I wish Daddy someday could drop us off.
Yeah, but he has work to do.
Yeah.
What are the kids doing? Honey, get up. Honey. Honey. Yes. Where are the kids? Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You are eating breakfast.
Yeah, you kind of missed it.
All right.
Well, get in the car and I'll take you to school.
Well, when you come back, I'm not going to be there.
Just wait for me. I just need to finish cleaning the kitchen. Put that up there. Put that cap on that. Take this. Put that there. Put that cap on that.
Sister, you're taking forever.
I'm coming.
Like, when will I believe you?
You're so mean.
Okay. You say I'm mean? You're the one who's acting mean.
Girls, no fighting now. Where did that vase go? Okay, let me just look for that vase. Is it under the table? Yeah. It's not under the table. Just put the table back. I wonder where my vase is. Well, I'll find it when I get back. Okay, everybody, get in the car.
Bye.
You guys are rolling faster than me.
Yeah, because you're not fast.
That's funny.
I'm super fast. Why does our car always have to be, like, really clean? Like, look at it. It's really
Honey, just be thankful that we even have a car. Okay, you have to drive it. Okay, you guys are here. Get out.
Bye, Mom.
Bye.
Bye, Mom.
School. Oh, let's go in. Hello, teacher. And there are the two boys.
Hey.
Sup, young love?
What's up, dude?
Okay, let's go in the classroom. Everybody take some seats on the rug.
What's up, dude? What's up, dude?
What's up, man? Okay. So, today we're going to talk about blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Ding ding ding! School's over. Finally.
Finally, she didn't even talk about anything, but I'm happy. Mom's sort of late.
She's coming.
Yeah, she's coming. So bye, dude.
Did I move over?
Oh, there she is. Hey, honeys.
Get in the car. Bye, peeps. Bye. You in detention? Yeah. Okay, boys. Now, detention started. Drive the car.
Yes. No, not like. Almost there.
I'm going to my room.
I come with you because my room is so cold.
Just get it.
Fine. Today, I'm helping Dad build this new store. So I might not be here, but
I'm gonna end it. Let's see. I'm just gonna sit and watch for
I'm
part
gonna
2.
help it. I will help.
Shh.
Oh, wait, the test.
Yeah. Who is that?
Dad.
Oh, come in. Thanks for watching. Please join us for part 2 of Little's Pet Shop.